Sir, you have reiterated quite often that you will cooperate. Papayag po kayong maimbestiga at magpaimbestiga sa ICC. Is that right, Mr. President?
Matagal ko na silang hinintay, sir. Ako nga ang lilipad na doon kung may pera lang. Sa totoo lang.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Former President, the
Mr. Chair,
second question
Mr. Chair.
is, doon po
Mr.
sa
Chair.
investigasyon na ito sa ICC, papangalanan niyo po ba ang mga miyembro ng Davao Death Squad?
Former President, yes?
Ako yun, sir.
Yes. Your response? Can you turn the mic on, please?
Sorry.
Thank you.
DDS. Sila lang man nagawa ng Davao Death Squad. DDS means Davao Development System. That's the correct term. You are abusing the phrase to the detriment of my city. Wala na tuloy pumupunta doon.
Still on the issue, Mr. Chair, willing po ba kayo na doon sa investigasyon na yon, sa ICC na pangalanan, ang mga biktima ng pagpatay sa Davao ng DDS, however you call it, simula nung kayo ay mayor, hanggang sa kayo po ay maging presidente?
Hindi ako gumagawa ng listahan, sir, kung sino ang namatay. Huwag ho sa akin. Hindi ako bookkeeper ng para sa namatay ng mga
Second
tao.
question ko, responsable kayo kasi polisiyan nyo yon. Kumbaga, tatak Duterte. Dahil polisiyan nyo rin yan, tama ba? Sa Davao, nung nasa Davao pa kayo. Tama ba na tawagin po itong Davao model or Davao style, Mr. Chair?
I cannot control the semantics.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan.
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr.
yes
Chair,
or no?
tinatanong ko lang naman.
I cannot control my answer. Beg to disagree with your premise, ma'am.
I understand, Mr. President, but that is a manifestation.
Yes, but you
Thank
know,
you,
if
Mr.
police is
President.
supposed to do his duty. He goes to school for 2 years. He receives instructions to how to go about his duty. That's a principle of law, principle of regularity,
Presumption
in the
of
performance
regularity
of duty.
of performance of official duty, Mr. President. Thank you for your enlightenment. Mr. President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Hindi ko na kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a
Take it-
lawyer
I can
yourself.
take of myself. I can take care of
Yes.
myself.
And confirm that you understand the consequences of your extrajudicial confession.
It is not a confession, it is a statement coming from the mouth of a mayor or a president at that time. It is not a confession. You are characterizing the word. Mali, ma'am.
President, in the past hearing of Quadcom, may 3 Chinese drug lords na napatay sa Davao Penal Colony. Are you willing to take accountability and responsibility also for this?
Oh, well, kung gusto mo isali yan, idagdag mo na, okay na.
Hawak ko, Mr. Chair, na wala namang mga big fish na nahuli during your time. So, pwede mang magbanggit, Mr. Chair, si Mr. Duterte, na mga big fish, yung mga drug lord, pwede pong sasagutin na lang ng resource person.
Mali yung tanong mo eh.
So, Mr. Chair, bakit mali po yung tanong ko? Ang tinatanong ko lang po, may nahuli ba kayo?
Meron, ma'am. Marami doon nasa dagat, harap ng Davao. Yung iba naman dyan sa Mount Apo.
Can you elaborate on that? Anong dagat at anong tapo?
Tinapon ko.
Mr. Chair, yung Peace and Order Fund sa mga local government units natin, yun po ay kinukuha mula dun sa confidential fund. So kung sa Office of the President, lalo na't meron ding allocation for confidential and intelligence fund, doon din po ba kinukuha yung peace and order fund para doon sa reward system? So gusto po nating ma-confirm lang, dahil po nalaman natin meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para doon sa reward system.
Kaya tinawag yan, sir, ng intelligence pati confidential. Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga eh. I am protecting the interest of the Republic when I dispense confidential funds. Okay, let me answer you. Chance to answer. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Hindi ka naman COA, hindi kita sagutin ng tama kasi wala rin akong alam.
Taka po ako dun. He's lying when he said that he does not know Laila de Lima. How can he say that he does not know Laila de Lima?
Iba na kasi ang hirdo niya kasi hindi mo wala. Hindi ko maintindihan kung anong pinagsasabi niya.
But this
I
particular...
have not read the affidavit so that I would not be in a position to correctly really to respond to your question. I am at a loss kasi ikaw yung may hawak ng... So you are now trying to investigate me. Para kang investigador. Yung may hawak ka ng affidavit dyan, executed by another person, and you're trying to confront me with the statements made in that affidavit, and you're trying to exact an answer from me. Pagka ganon, maghinto tayo dito. That is not proper.
Mr.
That
President.
is not fair.
Mr. President, in these times na rumuronda po kayo naka-big bike and you've had these encounters, how many persons have you killed, Mr. President?
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Wala akong accounting dyan.
With no hyperbole, Mr. President, would you know?
Wala talaga akong ano. Maybe 3-4, gano'n.
Would you recall the names of these persons that you have killed?
No. You know, why would I, why would? It's a silly question. Bakit ko alamin kung sino yung gagong na yan? Punerary ang bahala na sila establish ng identity.